last day of the tour gave me one opportunity to do a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Thrilled and excited, I'm going hang gliding in Rio de Janeiro. We travelled to the district of São Conrado before making the climb up the mountain to our base where we take off from. This is the Pedra Bonita ramp located inside the Tijuca Forest National Park. My pilot was Klaus Koch. Now Klaus has over 26 years dedicated to hang gliding and many hours in the air with over 10,000 tandem flights. And besides flying hang gliders, Klaus is also a professional helicopter pilot and instructor. So you could say, I think I'm in pretty good hands for today's flight. This is certainly a fantastic experience, so if your adrenaline is pumping and you're up for the ride of a lifetime, you need to visit these guys. As you'd expect, safety is paramount and you're guided through the whole process with efficiency and attention to detail. After watching others leap into the unknown, it was finally my turn. We edged forward and then patience was required as we waited for the right wind conditions to enable us to take off. A moment seemed like eternity as Klaus kept checking the conditions to ensure our safe departure. No experience is required to go and fly as the instructor has full control at all times. The only thing you need to do is run as fast as you can down the ramp and then